protection of the rainforest by eating a habanero or jalapeno pepper, foods indigenous to South America. In addition to eating the pepper, we ask that you give a donation of your choice.
You may nominate 2 or more people.
If you choose not to eat the pepper after being nominated, we ask that you still make a donation to the cause.
Thanks to all of you guys for nominating me, myself, and I, and this chica right here, for the pepper challenge. I now nominate my fellow cool gals named Riley and Casey. I know. Here we go. Oh God. Here we go, congrats. Let's do it.
Let it digest.
I'll eat it once you get a reaction.
Is it hot?
It's hot, but it's not that hot. You're saying it's supposed to be congrats. I got a seat. Oh, fine. Oh my God. Oh my God.